Hello, my name is Rachel from Blooming Artificial and I'm going to show you how to make your own faff-free flower tub in just 4 easy steps. What you'll need: an empty planter, a plastic bag, stones or sand, a trowel, a knife, oasis foam, artificial foliage and flowers. Step 1. Take your empty bag, add in some stones or sand, then tie it securely. Pop this in the bottom of your empty planter to weigh it down so it doesn't blow around in the wind. Step 2. You'll need to add some oasis foam to your planter, which will hold your flowers in place. This works really well as it will also soak up any rain. You might need to use a few blocks of this depending on the size of your pot, and you can cut them up using a knife if you need to. Push them into place firmly and make sure there aren't any loose pieces that could fall out. Step 3. I'm going to add a light layer of decorative stones on top of the oasis, which will help to weigh it down, keeping the foam in place and also hiding it out of sight. Step 4. Here's the fun part. Now you can go ahead and add your flowers and foliage bushes. I'm going to use our pink hydrangea bush for a simple but timeless look, and start by bending out the stems and fluffing the foliage. Then just push each stem into the oasis foam, making sure they're all secure. When you're finished, spin it around and make any final adjustments. You can then pop it in its place and forget all about watering and maintenance. If you have any questions, feel free to get in touch and one of the team will be happy to help. Thanks for watching.